Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, English WorId.
Hi, friends. We are so happy to see you today.
My name is Sarah.
And I'm Jack.
Today, we will talk about your year.
Yes, we will practice English together.
This is easy English, don't worry.
We speak slowly, we speak clearly.
Are you ready?
Let's begin. But first,
Please subscribe to our channel.
and click the like button.
It helps us so much. Thank you.
Okay, let's start.
Jack, can I ask you something?
Of course, Sarah, what is it?
How was your year?
My year? You mean this year?
Yes, this year, 2025.
Oh, my year was good. It was very good.
That's wonderful.
How was your year, Sarah?
My year was interesting. Very interesting.
Interesting? Tell me more.
Well, I learned many new things.
Like what?
I learned to cook new food, and I made new friends.
That sounds great.
Friends, let's practice together.
Yes! Listen and repeat.
How was your year?
Repeat after me. How was your year?
Good. Now say, my year was good.
My year was good.
Perfect. One more time. My year was interesting.
My year was interesting.
Excellent. Now you try at home.
Say it with us. Sarah, what was the best part of your year?
The best part? Let me think.
Take your time.
I think the best part was my vacation.
A vacation. Where did you go?
I went to the beach.
The beach. I love the beach.
Me too. The water was beautiful. The sun was warm.
That sounds perfect.
It was. I was very happy there.
Did you swim in the ocean?
Yes, every day. I swam every day.
Wow, that's amazing.
What about you, Jack? What was your best part?
My best part was spending time with my family.
That's beautiful.
Yes. We had dinner together every Sunday.
Every Sunday? That's nice.
Yes. We talked, we laughed, we ate good food.
Family time is important.
Very important. I feel lucky.
Let's practice again, friends.
This is important vocabulary.
Listen. The best part of my year was...
Now you finish the sentence.
The best part of my year was my vacation.
Or you can say, the best part of my year was my family.
What about you? What was your best part?
Write it in the comments. We want to know.
Yes, tell us. We will read your comments.
Sarah, was there a difficult part of your year?
Difficult? You mean hard?
Yes. Was anything hard this year?
Yes, some things were hard.
Can you tell me?
Well, I started a new job.
A new job. That's exciting.
Yes, but also scary at first.
Scary? Why?
Because everything was new. New people, new place, new work.
I understand. Change is hard sometimes.
Yes. But now I feel good. I feel comfortable.
That's great. I'm proud of you.
Thank you, Jack. What about you? Was anything difficult for you?
Yes, I had some difficult times too.
Really? What happened?
I was sick in March.
Oh no, that's not good.
Yes, I was sick for 2 weeks.
2 weeks. That's a long time.
I know. I stayed home, I rested, I drank tea.
Did you feel better?
Yes! After 2 weeks, I felt better.
I'm glad you are healthy now.
Me too. Health is very important.
Time to practice more.
Let's learn these words together.
Repeat. Difficult.
Difficult means hard, not easy.
This was difficult.
Now say, I was sick.
I was sick.
And I feel better now.
I feel better now.
Great job, everyone.
Jack, did you learn anything new this year?
Learn something new? Yes, I did.
What did you learn?
I learned to play guitar.
Guitar. Really?
Yes. It was difficult at first.
But you practiced?
Yes. I practiced every day.
Every day? Wow.
Now I can play 5 songs.
That's wonderful. I'm so happy for you.
Thank you. What about you? Did you learn something?
Yes, I learned some Spanish.
Spanish. Hola.
Hola. Yes, I took classes online.
That's great. Can you speak Spanish now?
A little bit. I can say simple things.
That's amazing. Learning languages is fun.
Yes, and it's useful too. Friends, Let's practice questions.
Questions are important in conversation.
Listen, did you learn anything new?
Repeat. Did you learn anything new?
Good. Now answer. Yes, I learned.
You can say, yes, I learned to cook.
Or yes, I learned to dance.
Or, yes, I learned English.
Yes, you are learning English right now.
You're doing great. Sarah, what are you thankful for this year?
Thankful? You mean grateful?
Yes. What are you grateful for?
Oh, many things.
Tell me.
I'm thankful for my health.
That's very important.
And I'm thankful for my friends.
Friends are special.
Yes, my friends help me, they listen to me, they make me laugh.
That's beautiful.
I'm also thankful for this, for teaching English.
For our viewers,
Yes, for all of you watching.
that's so nice, Sarah.
What about you, Jack? What are you thankful for?
I'm thankful for my family. They love me.
That's wonderful.
And I'm thankful for food. I love food,
Haha, that's funny.
but it's true. Good food makes me happy.
I understand. Food is important.
And I'm thankful for opportunities.
Opportunities?
Yes. Chances to learn, chances to grow, chances to help people.
That's beautiful, Jack.
This year gave me many opportunities. I feel lucky.
Let's practice thankful.
This is a beautiful word.
Say, I am thankful for.
I'm thankful for my family.
I'm thankful for my health.
I'm thankful for my friends.
Now you say it. What are you thankful for?
Think about it. Say it out loud.
And write it in the comments.
We want to hear from you.
Jack, do you have plans for next year?
Plans? You mean goals?
Yes, goals for the new year.
Oh, yes, I have some goals.
Tell me,
I want to read more books.
how many books?
Maybe 12 books. One book every month.
That's a great goal.
And I want to exercise more.
Exercise, that's healthy.
Yes. I want to walk every morning.
Every morning? That's wonderful.
What about you? Do you have goals?
Yes, I have goals too.
Tell me. I want to know.
I want to learn more Spanish.
More Spanish. That's great.
And I want to visit my grandmother more.
That's sweet.
She lives far away. I don't see her often.
So next year you will visit her?
Yes, I will visit her more. Maybe every 2 months.
That will make her happy.
Yes, it will make me happy too. Let's practice talking about the future.
Listen carefully.
I want to read more.
Repeat. I want to read more.
I want to exercise.
I want to exercise.
I will visit my family.
I will visit my family.
What do you want to do next year?
Think about your goals.
Say them out loud.
Practice your English.
Jack, one more question.
Yes? What is it?
What advice do you have for next year?
Advice? You mean tips?
Yes, tips for a good year.
Good question.
Think about it.
Okay. I think my advice is be kind to yourself.
Be kind to yourself.
Yes. Don't be too hard on yourself. Mistakes are okay.
That's good advice.
And try new things. Don't be afraid.
I like that.
What's your advice, Sarah?
My advice is spend time with people you love.
That's beautiful.
Life is short. Time is precious.
So true.
And my other advice is don't give up.
Don't give up.
Yes, if something is hard, keep trying.
That's great advice.
Small steps are okay, just don't stop.
I love that, Sarah.
Okay, friends, last practice.
Let's review everything.
Say, how was your year?
My year was good.
The best part would
I learned something new.
I'm thankful for.
I want to next year.
Excellent! You did it!
You are learning so much.
Wow, that was a great conversation.
Yes. We talked about so many things.
We talked about this year.
The good parts and the hard parts.
We talked about learning new things.
And what we're thankful for.
And our goals for next year.
Now it's your turn.
Please write in the comments.
Tell us, how was your year?
What was the best part?
What did you learn?
What are you thankful for?
We want to hear from you.
And remember, practice English every day.
Just a little bit. Even 5 minutes helps.
You are doing great.
Keep learning. Don't give up.
Did you enjoy today's lesson?
Please give us a like.
and subscribe to our channel
Click the bell.
so you don't miss our next video.
We make new videos every day.
Thank you so much for watching.
We love you all.
See you next time.
Goodbye.
Bye-bye.